How to get Bookmap for free 2026 full guide in this quick video. I'll show you the legitimate ways to access Bookmap completely free in 2026. Bookmap is powerful order flow software that costs up to $99 per month, but there's a real free tier that's actually useful. Let's go through your options. Option 1, Bookmap Digital Free Tier. Best option. This is a permanent free plan, not a trial. You get unlimited real-time access forever for $0. What you get: free, real-time crypto order flow heat maps from over 20 major exchanges, live data, the large lot tracker and iceberg detector core indicators, educational webinars and learning resources, basic alerts, paper trading environment. Limitation: you can track only one symbol at a time. If you switch symbols, you lose the previous view. But for learning order flow, it's excellent. How to access it: Step 1, go to bookmap.com. Step 2, click sign up. Step 3, create your free account. Step 4, select the digital free tier. Step 5, you're in, no credit card required. Option 2, Thinkorswim Bookmap trial. If you have a TD Ameritrade account, you can access Bookmap for free through Thinkorswim. What you get: trial access with 3 rotating symbols. Each symbol rotates periodically. Example, EASE AMZN coin. 3 rotating symbols let you experiment with the platform without paying. How to access it: Step 1, you need a TD Ameritrade brokerage account. Step 2, open Thinkorswim trading platform. Step 3, contact TOS support and ask them to enable Bookmap. Step 4, they'll activate it for you with 3 rotating symbols. Option 3, broker bundled access. Some futures brokers partner with Bookmap and offer discounted or free access to their clients. Check your broker's platform. Ask your account manager if they offer Bookmap access. Common brokers: NinjaTrader, Thinkorswim, Tradivate. Sometimes they bundle Bookmap access with your brokerage account for free. Option 4, student and educational discounts. Bookmap offers special pricing for students, prop firm trainees, and academic traders. Email Bookmap's sales team at sales@bookmap.com. Ask about educational pricing or discounts. Provide proof you're a student. You may qualify for significant discounts or free access. Free plus paid tiers. Explain: digital free, 1 symbol at a time, crypto focus. $20 value, global, $49 per month, real-time futures data, unlimited symbols. Multiple markets, premium, $99 per month, advanced features, all data feeds. Pro tips: start with the free digital tier, learn order flow basics, no commitment, no credit card. If you want advanced features later, upgrade, use the free tier plus educational resources. Bookmap offers free YouTube videos and educational webinars. Combine free tier plus learning materials. You build competency for $0. Paper trade with the free version. Don't risk real money while learning. Practice strategies first. Summary: free option 1, Bookmap digital tier. Permanent free access, 1 symbol at a time, real-time crypto. Free option 2, Thinkorswim free trial, 3 rotating symbols. Free option 3, check your broker, ask about bundled access. Free option 4, email sales@bookmap.com about student discounts. Start free, learn order flow, upgrade later if you need advanced features. If this helped you access Bookmap free, like and subscribe. Comment below and tell me which option you're using first. Thanks for watching.